What is social media marketing? Social media marketing refers to the practice of using social media platforms and websites to promote products, services, or brands and engage with target audiences. It involves creating and sharing content on social media networks with the aim of achieving marketing and business goals. Social media marketing encompasses various strategies and techniques to effectively reach and engage with users on platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, and others. Here are some key aspects of social media marketing. Content creation. Creating compelling and relevant content, such as posts, images, videos, and articles, tailored to the target audience and the platform being used. Profile optimization. Optimizing social media profiles and pages to reflect the brand's identity and provide a positive user experience. This includes using consistent branding elements, informative descriptions, and engaging visuals. Audience targeting. Identifying and understanding the target audience's demographics, interests, and behaviors to tailor content and advertisements specifically to their preferences. Engagement and community management. Actively interacting with social media users through likes, comments, shares, and messages. Building and nurturing a community by responding to inquiries, addressing concerns, and fostering discussions. Influencer marketing. Collaborating with influential individuals on social media, known as influencers, to promote products or services to their followers. This strategy leverages the influencer's credibility and reach to increase brand awareness and engagement. Paid advertising. Utilizing social media platforms' advertising features to run targeted ad campaigns. This includes options like boosted posts, display ads, sponsored content, and customizable targeting parameters. Analytics and monitoring. Tracking and analyzing social media metrics and insights to evaluate the effectiveness of marketing efforts. This data helps refine strategies, identify trends, and optimize campaigns for better results. Social media marketing offers numerous benefits, such as increased brand visibility, improved customer engagement, lead generation, website traffic, and customer loyalty. However, it requires a well-planned strategy, consistent effort, and a deep understanding of the target audience and social media platforms to achieve desired outcomes. How I can earn through social media marketing in Pakistan. To earn through social media marketing in Pakistan, you can follow these steps. Build your social media marketing skills. Start by learning the fundamentals of social media marketing. There are various online courses, tutorials, and resources available that can help you understand the concepts, strategies, and tools involved. Identify your niche and target audience. Determine your area of expertise or interest within social media marketing. This could be content creation, community management, influencer marketing, or paid advertising. Identify the specific target audience you want to reach within Pakistan, considering factors such as demographics, interests, and behaviors. Create a personal brand. Establish a strong personal brand as a social media marketer. This includes defining your unique selling proposition, creating a professional online presence, and showcasing your skills and experience through a portfolio or case studies. Offer social media marketing services. Position yourself as a social media marketing expert and offer your services to businesses and individuals. You can provide services such as content creation, social media account management, community engagement, influencer collaborations, advertising campaign management, analytics reporting, and strategy development. Build a network. Network with other professionals in the industry, attend industry events, join social media marketing communities, and connect with potential clients. Building relationships and referrals can help you expand your client base and gain credibility. Create compelling proposals and pricing structure. Develop well-crafted proposals that clearly outline the services you offer, pricing options, and the value you bring to clients. Tailor your proposals to meet the specific needs and objectives of each client. Showcase your expertise through content. Consistently create and share high-quality content related to social media marketing on your own social media profiles and website. This helps establish yourself as an authority in the field and attracts potential clients. Provide exceptional client service. Deliver excellent customer service to your clients by maintaining open communication, meeting deadlines, and providing regular progress reports. Satisfied clients are more likely to refer you to others and continue working with you. Stay updated and adapt. Social media platforms and trends are constantly evolving. Stay updated with the latest industry developments, algorithm changes, and emerging platforms. Continuously adapt your strategies and offerings to remain relevant and provide value to your clients. Remember that success in social media marketing takes time and effort. It is essential to continuously refine your skills, stay up to date with industry trends, and deliver high-quality work to build a successful career in social media marketing in Pakistan. What apps should I use for social media marketing? There are several apps and tools available that can enhance your social media marketing efforts. Here are some popular ones. Buffer. Buffer is a social media management platform that allows you to schedule and publish posts across multiple social media platforms. It provides analytics to track post performance and helps in managing multiple accounts efficiently. Hootsuite. Hootsuite is another widely used social media management tool. It offers features like scheduling posts, monitoring social media conversations, and managing multiple accounts. It supports various social networks and provides analytics and reporting capabilities. Canva. Canva is a user-friendly graphic design tool that enables you to create visually appealing and engaging social media posts, cover photos, and advertisements. It offers pre-designed templates, a wide range of fonts and images, and customization options. Adobe Spark. Adobe Spark is a design tool that allows you to create graphics, videos, and web pages for social media marketing. It provides templates, customization options, and multimedia integration, making it easy to create professional-looking content. Later. Later is a visual social media planner and scheduler primarily focused on Instagram. It allows you to visually plan your Instagram feed, schedule posts, and provides analytics to optimize your posting strategy. Sprout Social. Sprout Social is a comprehensive social media management and analytics platform. It offers features like scheduling posts, monitoring conversations, measuring campaign performance, and providing customer support. BuzzSumo. BuzzSumo is a content research and discovery tool. It helps you find popular and trending content in your niche, identify influential content creators, and monitor your own content's performance across social media platforms. Google Analytics. While not specific to social media marketing, Google Analytics is a powerful tool for tracking website traffic and analyzing user behavior. It provides valuable insights into how social media channels drive traffic to your website and supports data-driven decision-making. Facebook Business Suite. If you primarily focus on Facebook and Instagram, the Facebook Business Suite app allows you to manage your Facebook and Instagram accounts from a single dashboard. You can schedule posts, view insights, and manage messages and comments. These are just a few examples, and there are many more tools available depending on your specific needs and preferences. It's important to explore and experiment with different apps to find the ones that best suit your social media marketing goals and workflow.